Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a lot of different boxes and varieties here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you know when I do upload. So as you can see, I'm so excited. That's right, you guys. I have my summer 2020 FabFitFun box. Now, I do partner with FabFitFun, and they do send me this box to review and share with you guys. All opinions will be my own. But again, thank you so much, FabFitFun. I enjoy being a partner with them, and it is always amazing. So before we dive in and see what I got in my box, I do want to go over just a few things about FabFitFun. If you are unfamiliar, it is a seasonal lifestyle subscription. So it's going to come every summer, fall, winter, and spring. It is $49.99 a season. You're going to get over $200 in value. Now I do have a promo code, which I'll put down below along with a link. The promo code is SMOM10. That will get you $10 off your first box. So you will get your first box for only $39.99. Now, this is going to have a variety of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, wellness, fitness. It's going to have a little bit of everything, and all of the products are full size. One thing I love is most of the time, a lot of the products alone, just the individual products, are more than the cost of the box. So the value is absolutely there. Now the theme for the summer box is You've Got This, because let's be honest, we've got a lot going on right now. It's a little bit crazy. The world is not anything like any of us are used to. So it's a little extra special this time, you know, to kind of pep you up and get you through, because I don't know about you guys, but it has been tough. It has been so tough trying to do the homeschool, not being able to go anywhere. You know, it is taking a toll. And, you know, I enjoy being able to do some self-care and different things. And that's some of the items in here they're going to provide that. So yeah, I'm super pumped. One thing also, you can customize some items with FabFitFun, which I really like. Now, if you pay seasonally, you can customize 3 products. If you go ahead and prepay for a full year, you can not only, you're going to save some money by doing that, which is great, but then you can also actually customize all of the products in your box, except there's usually 2 to 3 products that FabFitFun will send to everyone. But as far as the other items, you are able to customize all of those, which I think is fantastic. You also have some extra perks to early access to add-ons. And guys, if you don't know about FabFitFun add-ons, they're amazing. You can get products, I mean, literally everything from, everything up to like 70% off. It is amazing. I love the add-ons. And you can actually now get this box in the US, Canada, and the UK. I love that. So it's spreading the love everywhere. And the final thing before we get into the box is FabFitFun partners with a different charity each season, which I absolutely love. And they also work with female-founded businesses and companies. And I just think that that is amazing. This box, this quarter, the charity is Special Olympics, and that is just so phenomenal and a great charity. So let's get in here. I have jibber jabbered enough. Let's see what type of goodies we got. The box is gorgeous. The way like the girl's hair is blowing. Now it's kind of rainy and yucky here today, so it did get a little dirty in transit, but it is still gorgeous, and it still just made me smile seeing the box. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. FabFitFun. All right, so when you open it, there's always a magazine on top, and it is going to have a gorgeous, gorgeous lady, and we have Gabby Douglas here this time. In here, it's going to tell you about all of the products, all the different products you could have received or chosen from. And then it's also going to go over just different things. There's usually maybe there's some recipes and different stuff. So this magazine's really fun. So we will reference this for pricing and everything on our products. Oh, I ripped my paper. All right, so here we have, now they normally do HelloFresh, but this is a gift $90 off for Green Chef. So that's different. All right, so let's peel it. That card ripped my paper. Ooh, I see. Oh, I'm excited. Sneak peek. All right. So let's open it up and find our page where it talks about all of the products. And, oh, they did it different this time. Okay, so it's like this. So, all right, so it's gonna go over options 1 and 2 and all of that, because there's different customization categories. Now this says that the total value of the box could range from $225.50 to $477. Wow. All right, so let's get in here and see what we got, because I'm excited. And it looks like there are some good items. There's a really good variety here. All right, so for item number 1, I'm so excited to have this. This is by Yumi Kim. This is the wireless charging pad. And it says, rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge at a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices. Not sure what that means, but hopefully my iPhone will work. And this is $35. Let's see. All right, so I took it out, you guys. This is just so stinking cute. That's gonna be so pretty on my desk, and then I can just set my phone on it and have my phone charge. What? And then it has the blue cord. Yes. All right, so now I'm gonna talk briefly about the other items that would have been an option for customization number 1. There was a Draper James straw purse. There was a Pottery Barn ceramic diffuser, the Dr. Brandt triple peptide eye cream, an L-Space tie-dye towel, and then Lashes MD eyelash conditioner. So here you can see the other items that would have been available for number 1, but I got the charger and I'm so excited about that. All right, so for selection number 2, I am beyond thrilled about this, you guys. This is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. I am just so excited. I know obviously I'm not going anywhere right now, but to have this, yeah, first of all, I'm a Michael Kors girl, so that was a win for me. But when I say I'm a Michael Kors girl, literally this matches my purse and my wallet to a T. So I am so excited to have this. So obviously a place for your ID, some cards, your passport. I am just thrilled to have this. This sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. And this is $78. Michael Kors is not cheap, but I am so excited to have that. Oh. All right, so the other items in this selection would have been an Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono, a Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag, R&Co Television Perfect Hair shampoo and conditioner, or the Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil. So it would have been these items here. All right, so now we're gonna get to selection number 3. And it looks like, and I love this brand, this is Kula. This is a mineral face sunscreen. It has a matte finish. It's an SPF of 30. It's 70% organic, sheer, non-greasy, fast absorbing, and plant protection. It's water resistant up to 80 minutes. It says, this Light as Air formula applies like a dream and features a farm to face formula for all the antioxidant rich and SPF benefits. And this is $36. So I am so excited about that. I love that it's cruelty-free, vegan, and everything, and it is reef friendly. That is one thing. The mineral sunscreens are okay to get in the water, and they don't damage our coral reefs, which I think is really, really important. So I am so excited about this guy right here. So like I said, you could have gotten another version of that, a cucumber right here. You could have gotten this necklace right here, the Giving Keys mini key necklace. And then the other options, you could have also gotten the Tom's Sydney sunglasses, the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, or from Black, the Peel Off Mask and Hydrogel Eye Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. So you could have gotten one of these instead. All right, so we're gonna go to selection number 4, and I am actually very excited about this. This is the Termiere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner Anti-Aging, and this is a big boy right here. Like, this is a big boy. Let's see. Yeah, and it's a glass bottle. That is so nice. So this says, reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. This is $54. So I am so excited about this. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's got a safety. I can't really smell anything that way, but I'm sure it has a fresh smell. So I'm very excited about that guy. Now the other options for selection number 4 were the Zoela Ice Roller, a silk satin pillow sleeve. And it looks like that was it. So you have the 3 options on 4. So here was the pillow sleeve, and here was the ice roller, like the facial roller. All right. And then for the final customizable option, if you're an annual member of these, because the first 3 you could customize as a seasonal member, you could customize the first 5 as an annual member. So this item here, oh, I'm excited. Yes. Okay, so this is the Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. $42. Botanical After Sun Spray. So I've got some sunscreen to protect me when I'm out at, the beach or something. And then I can spritz this, afterwards. Shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area. Let's take a look. Here is what the actual product looks like. I'm gonna spray it, see what it smells like. Oh, it said to shake it, so let me shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see what kind of mist it is. Oh, that smells so fresh. It is such a light mist. That is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. I love facial mist, but one that's gonna benefit here in the summer, anytime I get sun, I'm really excited about. So the other options for this category, for category 5, you could have received or selected the Isaac Mizrahi Loves and Exo Sienna Vase, the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray, or the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. So here are those. There's the vase, the Amika, and the Grace and Stella Serum. Now we are getting into where FabFitFun actually chooses a couple of items for us. They have actually started here in the last couple of seasons having variations on the items. It used to be that everyone would receive the same, 3 products. Now you can actually receive variations. Usually there's 1 or 2 that they choose from for each of those items. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the FabFitFun picks, they have because we got 3 items, and it looks like they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they have 7 different items they would have chosen from. So I can see here that one of my items is from Winky Lux. This is the Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil. This is Universal Shade Firm Texture Triangle Shaped Artist Tip. So this right here, get your best brows ever with this Universal Brow Pencil. This is $16. So there is that. And the next item I am really excited about, this is from Spongel. This is a hand cream in coconut verbena. It says infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. It is 2 ounces. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. This is $18. And then the final item in my summer 2020 FabFitFun box. This is the Hybrid Makeup Drop. Now I have looked at this. I've thought about getting this because it seems really, really unique. So this is, it says this applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge to give your makeup a flawless finish. And this is $20. I'm really excited to play with this. I typically do use like a beauty blender or some type of sponge, and I've wanted to try the silicone, but I've been a little scared. So here I can, I can give it a try. Now, the other options that they had a, from Riddle, Oil Original Roll-On. It was a perfume that mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent. That's $50. That is right here. They also had the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Under Eye Mask, a 6-pack of those for $25 right here. And then they had the Murad Essential C Cleanser for $40 right there. And the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with Menthol for $24 right there. So those were the different options that they could choose from for you. I am happy with the 3 that they selected for me. And I am overall extremely happy with the summer 2020 FabFitFun box. I think it has a great variety of products, but also products that work well with each other, like the sunscreen and then the after sun mist. We've got some toner, we've got some hand cream, the makeup sponge, the eyebrow pencil, we got the wireless charger, which I am super excited about, and of course the Michael Kors passport wallet. So when we are able to travel, your girl will be traveling in style with the matching Michael Kors passport wallet, like I said, that matches my purse. So let me know what you guys thought. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. The link will be down below along with that promo code to save you $10 off your first box. So you can get your first summer 2020 FabFitFun box for only $39.99. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye.